Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be answering this question. The question says, an atom X has atomic number of 55 and mass number of what? 133. The nucleus of X then has, two subparticles are present in the nucleus. Take note, two subparticles are present in the nucleus. In the nucleus, what are those two subparticles? Number one, we have proton, and the second one is what? The neutron. For the proton, before I proceed, these two things are present in the nucleus of an atom. So for the proton number is the same thing as the atomic number. The atomic number is given to be what? 55. So this atomic number is also the same thing as proton number, 55. The addition of this and this, proton plus neutron, will give you what refers to as what? Mass number. That is, mass number equals to what? Proton plus neutron. Okay, we're told that the mass number is 133. 133 equals to, what is the proton number? We have gotten the proton number to be 55. Now we are not left with the neutron. Let me represent it to be n. Now I will make n subject to the formula. This 55 will cross the equality sign to change to what? Minus. That is 133 minus 55. We are not left with what? N. If you subtract 55 from 133, we are left with what? 78 equals to what? N. That is, n equals to what? 78. N there represents what? Neutron. So our neutron is equals to what? 78. So in the nucleus of atom X, we have 55 proton and 78 neutron. And which option best describes this? You see that it is option D. So option D is the correct answer. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Like, subscribe, and comment. Share to your friends. Thank you.